am going to talk about Ashy Blonde Ombre Curly Human Hair Wig. Indulge in the allure of natural beauty with our Ashy Blonde Ombre Curly Human Hair Wig. This exquisite piece boasts a mesmerizing blend of dark roots transitioning seamlessly into a luscious ashy blonde hue, creating a stunning ombre effect that enhances any look. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail, this lace front wig features a 13 by 4 or 13 by 6 lace frontal design, ensuring a natural-looking hairline and effortless styling versatility. The premium quality Remy hair used in this wig guarantees durability and a silky-smooth texture that feels luxuriously soft against your skin. With a generous 200% density, this wig delivers voluminous, long kinky curls that cascade elegantly down to 28 inches, exuding confidence and sophistication with every sway. Whether you're aiming for a glamorous evening look or a casual yet chic daytime style, this curly blonde human hair wig effortlessly adapts to any occasion. The rich, dimensional tones of blonde curly hair add depth and dimension to your appearance, while the irresistible allure of its kinky curls accentuates your natural beauty. Embrace the versatility of this wig as you experiment with different hairstyles, from playful bouncy curls to sophisticated updos, all while enjoying the comfort and breathability of its human hair construction. Experience the epitome of elegance and style with our original curly blonde human hair wig. Elevate your look with the timeless charm and undeniable allure of ombre blonde lace front wig human hair curly. And let your personality shine through with every radiant curl. Indulge in the luxury of 250 density curly human hair wig, offering unparalleled fullness and body for a head-turning effect that commands attention wherever you go. Whether you're drawn to its captivating blonde hues or enchanted by its kinky curly texture, this wig is sure to become your go-to accessory for effortless glamour and undeniable confidence. Discover the endless possibilities of curly hair wig with our premium quality kinky curly wigs human hair. With its flawless blend of style, comfort, and durability, this wig is the perfect choice for anyone looking to elevate their everyday look with a touch of timeless elegance. Unlock the potential of your style with kinky curly wigs human hair 13 by 6, and embrace the beauty of natural curls with every wear. Let your hair do the talking as you step out in confidence, knowing that you're radiating beauty and grace with every step.